to show you a brand new, never before seen, brilliant way to solve equations. We're wasting time. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I'm Allie Mack and I am currently a 7th grade math teacher. If you have ever been a math teacher, you know that solving equations has always been a skill that students have trouble grasping. So here comes my brilliant co-teacher, Miss Garner, and she came up with a whole new way to show kids how to solve equations. We're going to call this new method the Gardner Method. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Before we get started, we need to start with some prerequisite skills first.
I'm going to put something on the board. What does this sign mean? Equal. That is an equal sign, right? Yes. Okay. So what if I put a 1 here? What has to go here?
1.
A 1. Okay? So it's equal. This equals that. They are the same. But what happens if I add 5 to this number?
6.
That's 6. Does it still equal 1?
No, equals 6.
It equals 6 because it has to equal. So if I do something to this side, I have to do it to that side. Are you gonna write this down? Yes. Good. Okay. What if I decided that I wanted to subtract 2 from this side? What's 6 minus 2? 4. Okay. Is it still equal to 6? No. It's not. So I need to subtract 2 from this side. Okay? 4 equals 4. But what if I want to get really fancy and I want to multiply this times a -2? What does that give me? Remember, same signs. It's going to equal a positive. Different signs. It's going to be a negative. So that's going to be a -8. Does it still equal 4? It does not. Okay, last little piece, and then we're going to get on to the real equations. What if I decide I'm going to divide this -8 by a -2? What does that give me? -8 divided by -2. 4. Oh, I love how y'all didn't say -4. So does that still equal this? No. We have to do the same thing to this in order to keep it equal. Okay? Okay.
I'm truly happy Miss Garner herself decided to show you how to solve these equations. So let's see what she does.
So I'm going to start off with a simple unknown number. Okay? A variable. Let's start with B. Okay? So I have an unknown number, and I'm going to add 5 to it, and that's going to give me 8. Now I'm going to start with a problem that I know that you can look at and tell me the answer, only because I care about you to learn the process, okay? So pretty much when you're solving equations, we want you to work backwards. That's the whole point, okay? Alright, so I had a number, I added 5 to it, and I ended up with 8, okay? So what did I start with? Nope, I started with B, okay? What did I do to B? I added 5. So the first thing I did was I added 5. And where did I end? 8. Okay. If I want you to work backwards, okay, to solve this problem, where do you start when you're working backwards? At the beginning or the end? The end. So where am I going to start with it? 8, right? Okay. And if I want to undo what I've done, how do I undo adding 5? You subtract. Huh? Subtract 5. And what do I get? 3. So what is B? 3. Okay? Simple enough, right? This says that I have an unknown number. We're going to pretend that we don't know what it is, okay? I have an unknown. I added 2 to it, okay? And once I added 2, I now have what? 20. Okay? So with solving equations, you're going to have your start place. Once you write this down, start. Okay? My starting place. Where did I start? I started at x. You're gonna always put your variable. You're gonna always put your variable as your starting place, okay? I started with my unknown, okay? What did I do to x? That's 2 people that I heard. What did I do to x? I added 2. So my first step that I did was I added 2. Okay? That one just means that that's one step that I did. Okay? Did I do anything else over here? No. Okay? So where did I end? 20. Now, if we were to work backwards, listen to what I'm asking very carefully, okay? If I am working backwards, am I going to begin at start or am I going to begin at the end? The end, okay? So what is at the end? 20. So over here I'm going to write 20. So if I'm working backwards, that means I'm going to undo or reverse and do the inverse of whatever I did the first time, right? So if I'm working backwards, how do I undo adding 2? Subtract 2. And what do I get when I do that? 18. Am I in x now?
Yes.
Right. So x is 18. Okay? We all got that, right?
Yes.
We're ready to power up to the next level?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. You ready to race it? We all got it? Get a little bit more complex, okay? And the way we're doing this, your starting place is always going to be your variable, your unknown, okay? Whenever you start. And then you're going to show me where the different things you did to get there to get to your ending place, okay? So, where's my starting place? What's my variable? C. My starting place is C, okay? How many different things were done here? 12 plus 2. How many different operations? 2. So I have 2 steps. And I ended where? 17. Alright. So I started with C. What's the first thing I did to C? Multiply by 5. After I multiplied by 5, what was the next thing I did? I added 2. And I ended up with 17. Okay, if I want to reverse this, where am I going to start? 17. And what's the first thing I'm going to do?
You're going to
Subtract 2. And I get what? 15. Am I at C yet?
No.
Alright, what's the next thing I need to do?
Divide 5.
Divide by 5. And what do I get?
3.
Okay. So, where is my starting place?
5.
Nope. B. It is B. You start with your variable, okay? Start with your variable. Alright, so my starting place is? Thank you, one person who jumped out there by themselves. Starting place is? B. Okay? So just looking at this, listen to me carefully before you answer, okay? Looking at this side of the equal sign, how many different operations are going on here?
Multiplication.
I didn't say which type. It's a question. I said how many? 2. There's 2 different operations there, right? So I'm going to put 2 steps over here on the side. Because there's 2 different things that were done. So if I started at B, what was the very first thing they did to B?
They multiply 5.
Multiply by 5. So I'm going to put multiply by 5. I don't know where you got 4 from. There's no 4 at all. Yeah, look at it again. So I don't know where that came from. Alright, multiply by 5. After B was multiplied by 5, then what did they do?
They
Subtracted 3. So I multiplied by 5, I subtracted 3, and I ended where?
17.
I ended at 17. Everything's mapped out, we're not missing anything, right? Okay, so now we're ready to work backwards. So if I'm working backwards, where am I going to start at? 17. Okay? So I'm backing up in reverse. How do I reverse minus 3? Add 3. And what do I get?
20.
Am I at B yet?
No.
What do I need to do? Next.
Divide by
Divide by
5.
5. And I get 4. So what is B?
4.
Absolutely. Where am I starting? Hello, where am I starting?
At B.
B. Start at B. How many different operations are here?
2.
So there's 2 different steps. Okay.
Then you end it.
I ended where? 26. Okay. So let's fill in my steps. I started with B. What was the first thing that was done to B?
Plus B.
Multiply by B.
Multiply 3.
Mhm. Then what was the second
You
step?
add 2.
You add 2.
Okay. And I ended at 26. So since I want to solve this, where do I start at? Since I want to
26.
solve this, where am I starting?
26.
26. And what's the first thing I want to do?
Subtract 2.
So think about it. If I'm reversing, so I started here and I made my way down here, right? So if I'm reversing this, I'm not going to start right here, right? I'm starting here and I'm going to work my way back. So I started at 26. They added 2, so what do I need to do?
Subtract 2.
Subtract it. And what do I get when I do that? What is 26 minus 2?
24.
24. And then what's the next thing I'm going to have to do? So I'm working backwards.
You divide 3.
Divide by 3. And I get. Does this look cleaned up to where I can go ahead and work out my steps?
Yes.
Yes.
It does?
I mean, no.
No.
What do
No,
I need
you
to
got
do over here?
Combine like terms.
I need to combine my like terms, okay? So what's one thing I can combine over here?
5C plus 2C.
And what do I get?
7C.
Okay. Then what do I do?
No, you add.
Right, I can also combine, so I can combine this. And I also can combine this. You want to clean up your problem before you move on, okay? What do I get when I combine those? Ooh.
Negative 4.
Negative 4.
Mhm.
Negative 4.
Right. Then what? What do I do now?
Oh, you gotta figure out what C is.
How do I find out what C is? What am I missing here?
17.
I put my equal 17. You have simplified. That's what that's called. Once you simplify and you cleaned up your equation, you don't have to use this top one anymore. Okay? You're gonna use this one, the more organized one. Now, where's my starting place?
6.
Where? I don't see. Where's my starting place?
C.
C. How many different operations are going on over here? 2. What was the first thing that happened to C?
It multiplies by 10.
So let's back that up. What was the first thing that was done to C? Multiply by 7.
Multiply by 10.
What was the second thing that happened?
Subtracted 4.
Subtracted 4. And where did I end?
17.
17. Alright, now I want you guys to walk me through this step by step. So where do I begin to solve this?
17.
17. What's the first thing I'm going to do?
Plus 4.
Either do this one first. 10. I won't jump over and go here. Okay? So I'm going to add 4. And what do I get?
20.
What do I get?
21.
21. Then what do I do? Leg, what I do? I don't hear you. What I do?
Divide by 7.
Divide by 7. And I get
3. So C equals 3.
C equals 3. Okay? Y'all got this? We're going to power it to another level. Is this cleaned up and ready for us to do our steps? No. We have a lot of things going on up here, right? Can somebody tell me what is a property that needs to happen right here?
Add.
A property, not an operation. Distributive. Multiplication is operation. Distributive property, okay? Walk me through distributive property. What am I
You
distributing?
multiply 2.
What am I distributing?
4A.
I'm distributing the 4A?
No, No, two
I'm
to
distributing the 2. Don't leave us. You gotta stay together. I'm distributing the 2. What's the first thing I'm gonna do with 2?
multiply by 4A.
Multiply by 4A. Pause. What is 2 times 4A?
8A.
8A. Does that answer your question? See, I told you. Then what's the next thing I'm gonna do?
Distribute.
Multiply 2 times 3. Distribute the 2 to 3. And what do I get with 2 times 3? 6. Then what do I do?
Bring down the other 4.
I break down everything else. That's right. Okay, we're gonna do the 2 steps. Am I ready now?
No.
What do I need to do
You
here?
gotta combine
Combine like terms. What can I combine?
8A and 3.
And what do I get?
11A.
Oh, I got 11A, I got 12A, what's the
11A.
I got 24A. I got a lot of different answers here. I have, listen what I have here. I have 8A, right? Minus 3A. So what is that?
5A.
5A. Then what do I have?
A.
You subtract. You subtract.
I'm combining these. 6, put triangles around them. Minus 1. And what do I get there?
5.
That's positive or negative.
Or 5.
Then what do I do?
You figure out where A is.
Out.
Mom,
Right, bring it down. Gotta bring down the rest. Am I ready to work through my steps? Alright, where's my starting place? A. How many operations are going on here? Hello?
2.
2. What was the first thing done to A?
Multiplied by 5.
Hello?
By 5.
What was the second thing done?
You
You
add
add 5.
And where did I end up?
30.
Hello?
30.
Walk me through this. Where am I beginning to solve it? 30. What's the first thing I want to do?
Add 5.
Okay. And what do I get?
25.
Then what am I going to
You're
do?
going to divide it by 5.
Oh, man.
Well, that's it. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, you all have an amazing day. Goodbye.